Someone help! This guy's crazy! Help! Help!
Flight was about 50 minutes late, and so everyone was a little irritated because of that, kind of frustrated, so it was off to like a rough start. That's when the gentleman in the black shirt stood up, and he kind of stepped in and went for a defensive to defend them and kind of defend himself, because the gentleman in the red was now looking towards him to attack him, and that's when the video started.
Please contact our ground staff or cabin attendant.
Did he just yell America?
Thank you.
This is why.
Coming back. You're not gonna get off the plane?
Hey, stop it! Guys, get off the plane! Stop! Come on!
Hey.
Flight attendants actually got caught up in the mix, and that's kind of when the video ended, because that's when I put my phone down and I actually got in the middle of everyone and confronted him. Subsequently, he backed down and he exited of his own will. And the gentleman in the black shirt stayed. Everyone filed back into their seats and we took off.